High above the Danube, a stone guardian stands watch, a torn crown of rock and masonry, the castle ruin of Donaustauf. But at its feet, in the heart of the bustling market town, beats the true heart of the community, the Parish Church of St. Michael. This is the story of two unlikely neighbors inextricably linked to the fate of this town. A story of sovereign power on the hill and the unwavering faith in the valley below. Our gaze first turns to the fortress. From the 10th century onwards, it was a center of power for the Bishops of Regensburg, a strategic stronghold above the Danube Valley. From up here, they ruled, judged, and defended. The walls we see today tell of this splendor, but they speak even louder of its abrupt end. During the 30 Years' War, in the year 1634, Swedish troops captured and destroyed the fortress. It was an inferno that not only struck the castle, but also buried the town and its church beneath it. From the destruction on the hill, we glide down to the center of civic life. This is the Parish Church of St. Michael. Unlike a secluded pilgrimage church, it has always been the focal point of the community. It too was severely damaged in the war and had to be rebuilt. What we see today is the result of that unbreakable will. In the 18th century, it was reconstructed in the Baroque style, magnificent, yet close to the people. The drone shows details of the facade, the roof, and its setting in the market square. Narrator: its tower, with its typical onion dome, is not a martial watchtower, but a bell tower that has accompanied the daily lives of the townspeople for centuries. It calls to prayer, rings for festivals, weddings, and funerals. This church is not a place for bishops and knights, but for the town's citizens, for the fishermen, the craftsmen, and their families. It is a symbol of resilience. Let us imagine the life that revolves around St. Michael's. After the devastation of the war, the joint reconstruction of the church was a sign of hope. It was here that children were baptized, promising a new future. It was here that the dead were mourned and prayers were offered for peace. Unlike the castle, which remained a ruin, the church was always filled with life again and again. It is the living memory of the town, an anchor across generations. And so they stand today, the castle as a dramatic reminder of the transience of worldly power, and the Parish Church of St. Michael as a shining symbol of the enduring strength of community and faith. One is a monument to the past, the other a living place of the present. Together, they tell the full, true story of Donaustauf, a place that learned to preserve its own strong heart in the shadow of its former fortress.